Welcome to Automania YouTube channel, the most complete automotive channel in YouTube. Our first drive of the 2018 Fit was facilitated at Honda Performance Development in California, the R&D and specialized help place for the organization's productive dashing projects, counting the SCCAB spec hustling arrangement that Honda led in 2010 with the Fit Race Auto. It's likewise where the Fit's natty new HPD body and inside bits were produced, thrill that got themselves onto a portion of the test autos we drove. Addressing two of our chief complaints is a new 7.0-inch display audio infotainment system that comes standard on Sport, X, and XL models. Finally, it offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and even better, the volume knob is back. While not all wrongs are righted with the 2018 Fit, the front seats still lack lateral support, and Honda wasn't able to carve out any room for a larger fuel tank. There's plenty to offset such woes. Along with a sophisticated looking gauge cluster, there's the Fit's trademark 60/40 split rear magic seat, which lets you flip the lower cushion up to carry taller items, or flop the seat back down, extending the Fit's heroically low and flat cargo floor. Another big deal for the segment is the availability of the Honda Sensing driver aids, which include not just forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, but also road departure mitigation and adaptive cruise control. Also among the updates is the return of the Fit Sport model. Don't get too excited, as it's not actually any sportier, being a Fit LX that gets its own unique front spoiler and rear diffuser, both with orange accents, side sill extensions, black 16-inch wheels, and a chrome exhaust tip. The Sport interior is accented with orange stitching on the leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, plus the upgraded audio system found in the X and above. Like the Fit LX, the Sport offers the Honda Sensing bundle of driver aids as an option. X and XL trims get them standard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.